6 dog sleeping positions and their meanings. Curled up in a ball. This is a common position, especially for wild canines, and often indicates a sense of protection or cold. Your pup might be feeling a bit chilly or wanting to protect vital organs while they snooze. On their side. When a dog sleeps on its side, it often means they feel safe and relaxed. Stretched out on their back, legs in the air. This is a sign of complete trust and relaxation. The Superman pose, stretched out on their stomach. It indicates that they are feeling playful and energetic, ready to jump up at a moment's notice. Snuggled up with another dog or a human. This is a bonding position and shows that your dog feels a deep connection with their sleep partner. The donut pose. Similar to the ball position, this can indicate your dog wants to conserve body heat and protect vital organs. So, next time you catch your dog snoozing, take a moment to decode their sleeping position. It might just reveal something about how they're feeling. If you enjoy our content about dogs, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay updated with new posts.